Alright, Scott, so here is a setup for you. So let's take a look at what you need to do in the back first. Make sure that you have the power into here. And then on stage, there should be an XLR cable for you. You want to take it to balance, output, left. And then from your guitar, could come to guitar in. So that's it. It's just 1, 2, and 3. Now when you come to the pedal here, few things you can double check that this is all the way down instead of kind of halfway through. You want to go all the way down. And right here, select normal, lift, and here to amp. Actually, let's go to line. Pad, lift, and line. Alright, now from here, what you need to do is that hopefully when you turn on, it will just come to Scott disc for you and 1A. So what it is that you have 4 sounds to choose from. You have 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D, and then the screen will tell you. Well, what is 1A? It is a distortion. If I push B here, tap B here, and you see that the sound is now Scott crunch. It's like a crunch strumming sound. And if you come to C right here, and that I have made a clean sound for you, Scott clean, and then right here, if I tap D, you come to like a spacious sound right here. So let me try to hold the phone and try to see how it works. Now, so you want to make sure that you see your name Scott space, rather maybe Scott's disc, distortion, or Scott crunch. All this here. You just need to make sure you see the name, because you could see 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, but under a different name, then that's not what I've set up for you. Now, in case that happened, what do? You want to find your Scott, right? So you want to see knobs here, you want to push it down. So I'm going to push it down. As I push it down now, I could start to use the knob, go left or right. Now you see how there's different name? You have a best of HD, you have a heavy, you have a sound style. Well, you want to go to user 1 because that's what I've saved your settings under. So you select user 1 and then come over here and you press enter. Once you press enter, then you're going to view what you have. Alright, so now Scott. Now, let's do a test. Let's say I'm going to somewhere completely different. I'm going to best of HD. You see how even as 1B is son of plexus. It's not what I've saved for you. So when you see that, just make sure you come push it down. Goes to user 1. Press enter. And now let's view it. Here you go. We're back to Scott. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly play through the sound just so that you have an idea what I have. Let's see, maybe I could push it here. Right. Alright, so let me try this. Hopefully you can see enough. Alright, I am going to start with 1A. 1A is a distortion, so I'm just gonna play G and a D chord. Here's what it sounds like. Alright, I'm going to a crunch sound, which is 1B now. 1B. Now I think this is especially useful if you use a bar chord. So I'm going to do a bar chord G and D. Oh, sorry, G and D. Alright, now I'm going to 1C, which is a clean sound. Alright, 1D is a space. The best way to use a space is just trying to pick the chord slowly, just a little bit. So I'm going to do a G and D, but I'm going to pick it. of course, you can also strum with it. Alright, what I forgot to show you is what I have set up for your guitar. So on your guitar, I've selected this pickup all the way up here, volume all the way down, and the tone, I have it all the way down too. So 100% tone, 100% volume. Choose a pickup that is the closest to you, right here. Alright, hope it helps.